Hi everyone! Alam mo ba, self-care isn't selfish. It's necessary. We all know about cura personalis, the care for the person. And we could practice cura personalis by doing self-care o pag-aalaga sa ating well-being. And once we take care of ourselves, we could do more and help others. And that's magis. Pero paano natin magagawa ang self-care kapag may trabaho? May mga simpleng tips kaming may share kahit 5 minutes mo lang gawin. Pwedeng mag-stretching tayo, mag-breathing exercises, or mag-short walk tayo. Pero kung ramdam mong pagod ka na, take a mental health day or leave from work. Huwag hintayin na mag-burn out bago magpahinga. Rest is productive too. Huwag din mahiyang humingi ng tulong. Talk to a trusted office mate, kaibigan, o supervisor. Start with simple conversations like, "Kumusta ka?" At kung kailangan mo pa ng extra help, meron tayong online mental health resources na available sa aming virtual bulletin board. Higit sa lahat, bukas din ang Center for Psychological Services para sa inyo. Self-care is essential for taking care of well-being, and we can practice cura personalis. Listen to your body and mind. Seek help, and this will help you to be well and live magis. Tandaan, mental health is beyond illness. It's also about wellness. Diyos mabalos, and see you next week.